Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the tools in Adobe Photoshop. Stay tuned until the end because you will have your quiz at the end of this video. You will find the quiz link at the description box. The Move Rectangular, Marquee, Crop, Brush, Eraser, and Paint Bucket tool. Look at this picture. This is MS Paint. MS Paint also has tools such as rectangular marquee, crop, brush, eraser, paint bucket, and text. What does this imply? Adobe Photoshop is a more advanced tool and offers features that allows you to conveniently edit your work. This is the Tools panel. In the Tools panel, we can find tools like the rectangular marquee. We can also find the tool like text tool, which add text to your canvas, and the crop tool, which crop your picture to whatever proportion you want it to be. We also have the eraser tool, which erase your previous layers, the paint bucket tool, which is used to fill in colors, the move tool, which is used to move objects around, and the brush tool, which is used to add strokes of brush in your canvas. To learn more about these tools, let's have an activity. First, open your Adobe Photoshop, click on File, and then click New. Or you can simply press Ctrl N simultaneously. Rename your file. In the new window, you can find options to choose from. Change your unit of measure to inches, set the width to 6, and the height into 2. Leave the resolution at 72. The color mode should be RGB or CMYK. Then press OK. This is now your workspace. Let's try to edit some features of your workspace. Let's try to add brush. If you click brush tool, you can change the options in the options bar. You can select the stroke that you want to use, and you can also change the color that you want to use. You can also change the size. Let's try to add paint bucket tool into our work. Let's try to pick a color, let's say black, or you can also add gradient tool, which is also in paint bucket. There are tools that will only show up if you press the right click. Now let's add again our brush. Let's pick a color. Now let's try to add a text. You just click the text tool, and if you click it in the middle, you can actually add a text. When the text is too big, you can edit the style, the font, and the size on the options bar also. You can also change the color at the options bar. After adding your text, there may be there may be a need for you to move your text in the middle. You can select the move tool to move the text around. You may also use the eraser tool if you want to remove parts of your background, just like what I'm doing right now. If you're not satisfied with the size, you can also crop your workspace, just like this. Or you can just set, or you can set the height and the width that you want to do here. So let's try to crop it. And there you have it. You now have your nameplate. If you want to improve it, you may add more tools that you know. That will be all. Thank you and subscribe to my channel, please.